Hey, what's up guys? January 5, event ulit tayo ngayon dito or balik ulit tayo ngayon dito sa Marikina. Dito sa lagi nating pinag-i-eventan sa may El Sueño Marikina Events Place. So ngayon meron tayong debut event. Alright, so nag-setup na kami actually kasi medyo masigip na kanina dahil nauna yung catering sa amin. So inuna ko muna mag-setup. Nakapag-soundcheck na rin. Same routine lang naman kagaya ng lagi natin ginagawa. So basic sounds and lights lang to para sa isang debut. First event natin, first debut event ngayon, 2024. So January 5. Ayan. So tomorrow, meron ulit naman kami dito, binyag. So wala nang baklasan ulit ng gamit to. Same floor lang, sa first floor lang kami. Tapos same setup lang ng gamit. So ayan, nasa El Sueño ulit tayo. So right now, nag-photoshoot ng mga gown na yung photographer natin dito. So naka-setup na. Ayun, nandun. Kung nakikita nyo si Manman na matikas natin. Pasensya na, medyo paus lang talaga. Dahil nito mga nagdaan talagang panahon natin eh. Nagkasakit tayo. So pasilip lang. So ayan, nakalagay na yung mga uplights natin. And nandito yung mood lights natin. Ayan, yung lights na natin. Hindi ako makapasok kasi nagpo-photoshoot, so makakistorbo tayo dun sa mga photographers natin. So ayun, sige, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Alright guys, so tapos na yung photoshoot ng mga gown ng photographer natin. And na-set up na rin namin yung projector. Ayan, so nagpe-play tayo ng sample clip natin dito ng mga previous events natin for checking lang naman ng projection ng projector natin. So unfortunately hanggang ganyan kalaki lang kasi medyo tight na yung space. Pero okay lang, malaki naman siya dito and then malinaw naman siya. So ayan, so meron tayong 18th birthday. Ayan, so mga around 100 packs to. Ayan. So set up natin once again, basic sounds and lights. Wala muna tayong moving head ngayon. Mag-ayos pa kami ng boot. So ngayon meron tayong kagaya dati DMX240 laptop for video playback and audio playback, and then meron tayong mixer dito, dalawang wireless mic, and then meron tayong isang wired mic dito. Ayan. So mag-ayos muna kami ng boot. Ayan. Once again, mabalik ulit ako. Alright guys, so nagdadatingan na yung mga tao or yung mga bisita dito, yung mga guest. Ayan, and then meron ding magbabanda dito, may keyboard and e-drums and gitara dito. Hindi sila sasaksak sa atin dahil meron silang mga sariling guitar amp. So ang problema na lang na dito is yung pwesto, no? Nakaharang sila sa projector natin or sa screen natin. Ewan ko ba tayo nilang lumipas sa kabila. Pero let's try to talk to them para mapalipat sila sa kabila para hindi sayang yung pwesto. Ayan, so start nito ay 6 PM. Right now it's 5:40. So ayan. So all set na tayo, microphone, kagaya ng dati. Proper gain, tone. So wala tayong feedback sa magkabilang speakers natin. And of course, syempre sa palibot ng venue natin. Alright, and then projector, audio, okay na. Playback natin, okay na rin. So let's see, balik ulit tayo mamaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin Mr. Oliver Lustre! Ayan, hi Daddy, ang gwapo no? Once again, birthday girl, our queen of the night, Miss Sophia. Happy birthday.
Yes.
And now may I request to everyone to please all stand.
Was here tonight share the same prayer for Sophia, that she may achieve her dreams and aspirations in life, that God will grant the realization of her heart's desires and bless her with abundance, may it be financial or spiritual. May our loving and generous God offer her the virtues of kindness, patience, honesty, understanding, and perseverance.
Ladies and gentlemen, for our 9 roses, give it up for Mr. Rich Tamberi.
For our 18 roses, ladies and gentlemen, palapang natin our daddy of the celebrant, none other than Mr. Oliver.
Alright guys, so this is the most awaited moment. So dinner time na. And like our previous videos, yung mga MC natin is kumakanta ngayon, no? Just to entertain yung guests natin. Then after this performance nila, magpe-play muna tayo ng isang video or yung AVP presentation ng debutant natin. Ayan, so everybody is eating na. Ayan. So later, balik ako.
Very elegant partner, ang ating Ricky Sobra. Once again, palakpakan naman natin guys our birthday girl! Wow, and lady Sophia. Be seated everyone, thank you so much.
I want to say, having you as a good cousin is one of the best gifts I can receive in my life. Thank you for being my inspiration and my dearest cousin and friend.
Hi, Ate Pia. Happy 18th birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. I wish you all the good things in life, Ate. And also, thank you for inviting us here and letting be a part of your 18th conference. And God bless you always, Ate. I love you. Happy birthday, Ate Pia. Thank you for letting me be a part of your 18 candles, and I want you to know that I always admired you when I was from a very young age. You were kind of a big. Ayoko na lang. Tapos si Mama kasi gusto niya yung dream ko ng bata ko mangyari talaga. And sa kanya rin kasi hindi siya nag-dream. So, malaking bagay ito sa akin. And thank you guys kasi naging party kayo ng 18
Hey guys, ayun. So natapos na naman yung event natin. Bukas, kagaya ng sinabi ko, babalik ulit tayo dito. Meron naman tayong christening na event or binyag na event. So medyo maaga yun, mga 12 noon mag-i-start na yun. So ayun, natapos na event. Salamat sa pagsama sa video na to. Once again, sorry, sobrang paos na. This is Intermix Fidelity Sounds and Lights. Please like and subscribe our video. Thank you. See you tomorrow.